am reviewing this Vitamix blender. I absolutely love it. I had to check out what a Vitamix blender was like because I had heard so many good things about them. And I have to say this does not disappoint. But the one thing you need to know is that the blades are on the bottom. So this tamper tool is essential for blending, especially if you have a lot in the blender itself and a lot of really coarse materials that you need to break out. So I just made a smoothie that had ice and frozen fruit and all of that in it. And with the tamping tool, it blended super great. It's really thick and creamy, which is by like the Vitamix versus other blenders, it almost gives it like an ice cream-like, shake-like consistency. So super happy with the results when I make smoothies on this. That's what I primarily use it for, but there is also this functionality where you can pulse and make chunky salsas or chunky vegetable soups. There is 10 variable speed controls. I typically have it on 4 to 6, especially when I'm making smoothies. And then you just flip this up to start it when you're ready to use it. This just kind of snaps on there. I had it off just so it was easy for me to show you guys what was in it. The cord is not super long, but what I like about it is underneath, you're able to wrap it around the base so you can easily hide the cord, especially if you keep this on your counter. It makes it look super nice. And then lastly, it is self-cleaning, which is another feature that I really like. You just put a small drop of dish soap in it and warm water, and then you just turn it on for 30 to 60 seconds and it'll clean out the inside for you. So highly recommend this, but as I mentioned, you are going to want to use this tamping tool. You cannot expect the bottom blades to blend a large volume or a lot of really coarse materials without using the tamping tool. So make sure you follow that tip and you should be good to go.